loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Louisa. How are you? Today I'm going to be showing you how to contour. Yes, how to contour the basics. The reason I'm posting this video is because I still see a lot of people day to day that do not know how to contour. They contour with the warm toned browns. They put it in the weird places. So there are many videos. I just wanted to simplify this for you. So this video is either for beginners or for those that may still be confused. So here you go to learn my tips and tricks of how to contour. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. Hey loves! So first things first, like I said, today we're going to learn how to contour. Now, today I'm going to be using the Sephora contour palette. Oops, sorry with all the reflection. Let me open it up. Sephora contour palette. Just a quick recommendation of mine. If you don't want to use the Sephora contour palette, the other one I recommend is a Smashbox contour palette, which I'll put a picture up right here. But yeah, so basically, why do we want to contour? Well, we either want to sculpt the face, place shadows where shadows actually are on our face, or we want to create a bit more of dimension on our face. So right now my face is flat. I put a little bit of highlighter here, but that's it. I haven't done anything else. So my face is flat. I have my foundation on. I set it with powder, what you should do. Again, I am doing powdered contour, not liquid contour, although I can do that in another video if you want to see it. So yeah, so like I said, today we're going to use this one. And I do want to say I do have a round face. So what I do may not necessarily be what you want to do. So I will put a picture up of what people tend to do when they want to contour. Again, it depends on the shape on the shape of the face. So I have a round face, so I will want to put contour here to make my face go a bit in. Remember, highlight brings the face forward. Shadows kind of create that dimension, that define face. So we're going to put contour here, 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 and then I'm going to bring it forward, which we'll see in a minute. And then if you want to, you're also welcome to put it on the jawline if you want to have a more defined jawline. But first things first, you need to get a contour palette or contour stick. Depends what you're doing, but right today we're doing powders that are cool toned. If you get a warm toned brown, then it's really a bronzer. So first step, you must set your face with setting powder. Again, assuming that you use all powders. Sorry for the background noise if there's any. And for me, I already did that. You can see, like I said, my face is flat. Step 2 is to get the brush. This is my contour brush. So it's an angled brush, essentially. I've used this for I don't even know how long. I have a few actually, but this is my favorite one. So let's begin. I'm going to use these two. Like I said, the temples, it's just very faint. Tap, and then bring it up here. So the reason I'm bringing it up to my forehead is I don't particularly think I have a massive forehead, okay? But I want to make my face slimmer again because I do have a round face. It's just very light. You can see here even before I blend it out just a little bit. The reason you want to do a little bit is because it's so much easier to add on rather than to take away. So little by little. Here are these baby hairs in the way. Now for my cheekbones. So I'm going to take a little bit. I like to even squeeze the brush a bit. So I grab a small amount, because if I do the whole brush, then it's just going to do the whole section. Whereas I want to spread it out. So let's do this side first. So you can either start like this or like this, but like I said, we're going to start here, and then we're going to bring it forward as far forward as you would like. Not up here, because contour does not go up to here, but I would say max to about here for my face. Okay, I just put the rest there because I don't want to smudge. Okay. Now, I do this just to make sure that I see where my cheekbones actually are. I can make it darker if I'd like, but usually it's a subtle shadow. Do you see what I'm saying? You can see it just right there. Let's do this side. Sorry for, okay, so where are we? The trick to this, apologies, forgot to mention it, is if you look at the top of your earlobe and then down, this is where your contour should be, down towards your lip. Do you see what I'm saying? But it doesn't go all the way up here. That's for other things. So we're going to dab, 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 dab. So I got the product out, and then you can do circular motions. I am bringing it a bit forward, as you can see. Now you see the subtle shadow. Now, I do want a little bit more, so I'm going to grab just a little bit. Again, I like to squeeze the brush like this and tap so we don't have too much going on. Or make sure you have good lighting, either you're right in front of the window or you have a ring light or something, because if you don't have good lighting, you may think that what you're packing on is enough, but then in natural light, it'll look way too dark or nothing will be there. So, like I said, just a little bit, and I'll do it on that side. There we go. Now I'm going to show you two nose. Yeah, okay, so I tend to use this brush. You can see here. It's a small flat brush, slightly rounded. But today I'm going to try even something smaller just because my nose is small. I'm not trying to make it look like it doesn't exist. So, taking the brush, just a little bit on the tip. This, I have to look down, I apologize. I have to see. Now, I just do a line like that, not too much, because I'm going to use this brush to bring it down and to bring it up. You bring it up to your brow bone. Just like that. Like I said, it's easier to build it up if you want to add more, rather than taking it away. You're gonna make a mess. And like I said, I want a small amount of contour in my nose. Something I also do, but I'm not sure if I've seen others do it, but it's alright. This is what I do as well. I add a little bit onto the brush. I do it down here. Whoop. And whoop, do you see that? Just to further define the shape of my nose. And then here I like to do like a soft C. I guess you can see, do you see how I'm like rounding it out? Yeah. Because a lot of people like that like cute Barbie nose tip. So instead of just pulling it straight down, you pull it around like this. I've also seen some people, give me a minute, let me blow this off. Okay, great. I've also seen some people do this. We have enough on the brush. So right where the shadow falls, so it's like right here. I also do like a little bit like around, do you see that? Line, and then of course blend. Everything with makeup, anything that you do with makeup, you need to blend things out. And I don't do the jawline. Probably should for round faces if you want to. If you do, just make sure you're putting the contour where the jaw meets the neck, just right there, just to define it. And of course blend it out. And yes, you must blend it out into your neck, because if not, you're gonna look it's gonna look like a separated face thing that you don't want. So alrighty loves, this is a final look with everything together, my foundation, bronzer, contour, highlight, all that jazz. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Yes, I will be making more videos on how-tos, how to apply bronzer, how to apply highlight, so on and so forth, but I really just wanted to get down to the basics because I know some people may still be confused and some people may not exactly know how to apply these different parts of makeup that we do. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to comment that down below. Do not forget to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Take care.